you got work to do. And you ain't got time for some wimpy, half-assed tool. You need power. Raw, uncompromising, killer torque. Go ahead, wrap your hand around an air cat. It's time to bust something loose. So, when you got real work to do, grab hold of an air cat, impact wrenches, ratchets, drills, die grinders, air hammers, and cut-off tools. Nobody builds more power than Air Cat.
In a high-turn garage, time is money. To keep your customers happy, you need an ultra-compact impact wrench you can rely on. Only one problem. Stubby impact wrenches on the market today just don't stand up to the work you do all day, every day. That's why Ingersoll Rand created a powerful, ultra-compact impact wrench you can finally rely on. Introducing the 35 Max half-inch ultra-compact impact tool. The Ingersoll Rand 35 Max Ultra Compact Impact Tool offers power and reliability in a very small package. Its twin hammer design and extensive durability testing pushes the 35 Max to last twice as long as the competition. At 2.4 pounds and 450 foot-pounds of max reverse torque, the 35 Max offers a great power-to-weight ratio, all in a package you can fit almost anywhere. At 4.6 inches, its low profile and one-handed controls offer the kind of easy operation that you need to get your work done right and on time. If you need power at a light weight, durability and flexibility, all backed by the kind of engineering know-how earned from over a century of building impact tools, the only real choice is the Ingersoll Rand 35 Max. The Ingersoll Rand 35 Max half-inch ultra compact impact tool. Also available in the 15 QMax 3/8-inch quiet version. Ingersoll Rand. Real tools for real work.
The Craftsman V20 cordless 1/2-inch impact wrench delivers the power you need and the reliability you deserve. Featuring 350 pound-feet of maximum torque, this cordless wrench quickly removes large fasteners with ease. It's designed with a hog ring anvil for quick and easy socket changes, and the variable speed trigger gives you control. When the job's done, just hang it up for easy organization and storage. Convenient and consistent, the Craftsman V20 Cordless 1/2 inch impact wrench does its job so you can do yours. Craftsman, we build pride.
Hello, my name is Lance Demeray with SunX Tools. Today I'm here to introduce our all-new Super Duty mini impact wrenches. They are designed to offer superior performance and superior ergonomics. Our new line of mini impact wrenches are available in both 3/8 inch and 1/2 inch drive sizes. Our mini impact wrenches come complete with a comfort grip and a compact 4.3 inch design. This is ideal for all of your underhood and wheel well applications. Both impact wrenches come with a one-handed forward-reverse switch designed for increased productivity and ease of use. Let me show you the variable speed trigger in action. Although this impact wrench is small in stature, it boasts a powerful jumbo hammer which provides up to 500 foot-pounds of breakaway torque, which will loosen even the most stubborn fastener. The all-new Super Duty mini impact wrenches by SunX Tools, the SXMC12 and SXMC38 are guaranteed to perform. Thanks for watching. Go to sunxtools.com for more information.
It's insane. It's got crazy amounts of power. The torque on it, I mean, I can use it for what I used to use a 1/2 inch for.
This thing here, I just grab it, grab some sockets, and you're done in 5 minutes. The amount of time it would take me to grab all the air tools and air line out.
The benefit of the mid torque would be that you can have a tool that's easier to carry around, easier to use, and has the power and ability to get bolts off that are rusted tight.
For our needs, when it goes into a 2x6 treated plate, it's got plenty of torque. I mean, it'll actually recess the nut if we have to.
I'll use it to fasten bolts on wheels, bolts on undercarriages for tractors, engine mounting type bolts that I may have to torque after, and I'm not going to over torque it with that tool. 3-mode drive control is nice because you have 3 settings. Number 3 is what I'll use most of the time to remove a fastener, but when I go to put something back together, I'll usually turn it down to at least 1 or 2.
With being able to adjust it, I mean, you could pull a 1/4 inch bolt up to a 3/4 inch bolt with no problem. Now you don't need 3 different tools, you got it all in one.
The durability has been great on it, and the 3/8 inch is so much nicer, so much more compact for us. It fits construction for carpentry well.
It's probably one of the best Milwaukee tools I've used yet.